forces out. They have all that fantasy. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside now. Mondestar. And on the other outside now is Double Harmony Magdalena. Then followed by Maybe Zuna. Moving up now on the outside. Siba Sib and Gusto Ko. Happy Ka is the early trailer. We have Double Harmony running on the outside. Running by the rail is Mondestar. Siba Sib now racing in third. All that fantasy down on the inside for then comes Maybe Zun in Pipa. Magdalena and Gusto Ko. Happy Ka trails the field by about 6 to 7 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Mondestar now takes the lead by Lenka. Double Harmony moving up. Maybe Zun down on the inside. Hold that fantasy in the middle. Siba Sib, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, and Magdalena. And it's still Mondestar by Lenka and Hapa. Hold that fantasy in second. Siba Sib in third. Moving up in fourth. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Double Harmony. Maybe Zun and Magdalena. And it's still Mondestar by about 2 lengths. Hold that fantasy still in second. And in third, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Double Harmony. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Mondestar by about 3 lengths. And in second, Hold That Fantasy, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. And nearing the finish line, it's Mondestar. Second, Hold That Fantasy, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. Siba Sib, Double Harmony, Magdalena, Maybe Soon.
Dehado muli ito. Although bumenta rin ng bahagya, pero dehado. 31657. 31657.